In today's video, I will teach you how to change the colors of clothes using Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea, then go to File, then Open, and import the image that you want to edit. Now select the Quick Selection tool or simply press W on your keyboard or the lasso tool from the toolbar. Then use the Quick Selection tool to click and drag over the clothes to select the areas that you want to change the color of. You can refine your selection by holding Alt to subtract areas or Shift to add to the selection. And if needed, you can switch to the lasso tool for more precise and freehand selections. After selecting the clothes, you can go to Select, then Modify, then Feather to soften the edges of your selection. A feather radius of around 2 to 5 pixels works well. And if you want to refine the edges, simply go to Select, then Modify and Expand or Contract to adjust the selection boundary. Now we're going to add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. With the clothes selected, go to the Layers panel and click the New Adjustment Layer button at the bottom. Then choose Hue and Saturation from the list. A Properties panel will appear where you can adjust the hue slider to change the color of the selected clothes. In the Hue and Saturation properties, move the hue slider to the left or right to change the color of the clothes. This will adjust the colors based on the current selection. And you can also tweak the saturation and lightness sliders to make the color more vibrant or adjust its brightness. And if necessary, you can use the Clone Stamp tool or the Healing Brush tool to clean up any imperfections around the edges. And you can also adjust the brightness and contrast of the entire image by adding a brightness and contrast adjustment layer. And once you're satisfied with the color change, you can go to File, then Export As, and choose your preferred file format like JPEG or PNG. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.